Two sample t intervals for the difference in population means. A confidence interval for the difference in population means mu1 minus mu2 is of the form t star is a critical value from the t-table. It has degrees of freedom minimum of n1 minus 1 or n2 minus 1. Example number 1. Midterm marks for a statistics course during the winter and summer semesters are both normally distributed. Use the following sample statistics to test for a difference in the mean midterm marks between the winter and summer semesters. Use alpha 0.05 and take the difference as winter minus summer. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the difference in mean midterm marks between winter and summer. A confidence interval for the difference mu1 minus mu2 is of the form. The next step is to plug in all the known values. X bar 1 is 26.367 minus x bar 2, which is 24.433, plus or minus t star times the square root of s1, 5.33, squared divided by n1, which is 80, plus s2, which is 4.066, squared divided by n2, which is 76. Next, we simplify, so this turns out to be 1.934 plus or minus t star times 0.757. Next, we need to find t star. We know that t star is a critical value from a t distribution with degrees of freedom minimum of n1 minus 1 and n2 minus 1. n1 is 80, n2 is 76. 80 minus 1 is 79, and 76 minus 1 is 75. And the minimum of 79 and 75 is just the smaller of the two. So t star is a critical value from a t distribution with 75 degrees of freedom. Now we have to look up t star from the t distribution table. So the first thing you do is select the line that contains your degrees of freedom. Here, our degrees of freedom is 75, so we select that line. The next step is to look at the bottom. We are going to have a number of confidence levels. Select the column that contains your desired confidence level. So we want a 95% confidence interval, so we select the column that contains 95%. And the intersection is t star. So t star is 1.992. Simplifying this, we get 1.934 plus or minus 1.5074. Next, we convert it to interval form, and we see that a 95% confidence interval for the difference in mean midterm marks between winter and summer is from 0.4266 to 3.4414.